Do you like exotic drinks? Yeah, me too. How about travel, fun, and cool bar stuff? Well then, you're going to be right at home here. Different drink, different town, different stuff. Every week, a brand new adventure. So, let's get to it. It's pour time.
Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe to bring you the tastiest, most exotic drinks all over the world. Today, we're in Summerlin, Nevada at Brooksy's, and this is the hockey rink that's attached to Brooksy's. This is where the future Golden Knights are training to become professional hockey players. Today, we are going to make you a Brooksys Bomb. Alright, so now we're inside Brooksy's, away from the big hockey thing that's going on outside the window. But if you come here, you can actually watch the future hockey stars for the NHL leading Golden Knights practice their trade. Today we've got Jamie, and she is going to make the signature Brooksys Bomb here at Brooksy's in Summerlin, Nevada. Jane, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Have at it, girl.
All right, making a Brooksys Bomb. We're going to start off with 2 ounces of kettle grapefruit. We're going to do an ounce of maker's mark. We're going to do half ounce of freshly squeezed lime. We're going to do a half ounce of simple syrup. Splash of tonic. Pour that into our tumblers. We're going to top it off with grenadine. We're going to add a lime twist. Now it's the Brooksys Bomb.
Thank you, James. The Brooksys Bomb here at Brooksy's in Summerlin, Nevada. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up to get all the goodies all mixed in here. That is good. The Brooksys Bomb here at Brooksy's. To get the recipe, go to pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure, plus some other cool stuff as we come across it. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.